In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from manual to auto-scheduled in Microsoft Project. If you're working in the Microsoft Project desktop app, switching a task from manual to auto-scheduled helps the tool do more of the heavy lifting. Auto-scheduling lets Project calculate start and finish dates based on links, durations, calendars, and constraints, which keeps your plan dynamic and consistent. Manual tasks, on the other hand, are great for early planning or rough ideas, but they don't automatically react when the rest of the schedule changes. Let's start with the quickest method, using the Task Mode field. Make sure you're in a view like Gantt chart where you can see a task table. Look for the Task Mode column. If you don't see it, right-click any column header, choose Insert Column, and pick Task Mode. In the Task Mode cell for the task you want to change, click the drop-down and select Auto-Scheduled. The moment you do, Project takes over the timing based on the task's dependencies, duration, calendars, and any applicable constraints. This is especially helpful if your dates have been drifting out of sync or if you've been typing dates manually and want the plan to align itself. You can also switch using the ribbon. First, select the task or tasks you want to convert. If you plan to change several at once, it's often faster to select them together. You can use Shift-click for arrange or Control-click for non-adjacent tasks. Then go to the Task tab on the ribbon. In the Schedule group, click Auto-Schedule. All selected tasks will now be auto-scheduled, ready to move automatically as their predecessors or calendars change. If you'd like every new task you create to default to auto-scheduling, you can set that at the project level. Go to File, then Options, and open the Schedule page. Under Scheduling Options for this project, find New Tasks Created and set it to auto-scheduled. This affects only tasks you add after you change the setting. Existing tasks keep whatever mode they already have. Here's what changes when you switch. Auto-scheduled tasks are driven by the model. Predecessors, calendars, durations, and constraints all combine to determine dates. If a predecessor slips or a non-working day appears in the calendar, the task's dates adjust automatically, keeping your plan realistic. Manual scheduled tasks let you type in dates and durations directly, but they won't reschedule themselves when the plan changes. Before converting a large set of tasks, it's a good idea to review key links, durations, and calendars so the shift to auto-scheduling produces the results you expect. And that's all you need to confidently switch from manual to auto-scheduled in Microsoft Project.